Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how to visualize data using a semi-log graph in Google Sheets. A semi-log graph allows you to visualize exponential data where one axis grows exponentially and the other grows linearly. Linear graphs are not very helpful when we use them with data which grows at an exponential rate. Take this example of the growth of bacteria in a medium. As you can see, the semi-log graph represents the data in a much neater way in comparison to a linear graph. Let's learn how to make our own semi-log graph in Google Sheets with this data of human population growth from the year 1000 to 2000. So first, you need to select the whole dataset and click on Insert and select Chart. Now Google Sheet will give you a chart that it thinks is good for our dataset. But we are in charge right now, so we'll override Google Sheets suggestion and select line chart instead. Then you need to head out to vertical axis customization and click on logarithmic scale, and we are done. But this doesn't look so appealing, right? So let's customize the chart a little bit to make it look better. We'll start with checking major grid lines and text for both the axes. Next, we'll add some color to our graph and also smoothen our line to make it more realistic. Then we'll change the line color and highlight our data points by showing their value and giving them a different shape. Now you can't see the topmost point here because our axis is not able to cover it. So we'll increase the range of our axis by changing the minimum and maximum value. And finally, we'll add legend to our graph to show what the data points mean. Now that looks so much better and informative, right? You can try out more customizations by yourself. Just use the link in the description to copy the sheet to your Google account and start exploring the possibilities. I hope you liked our video. Hit like and subscribe because we'll be covering other useful formulas and functions which can save you a lot of time. Until then, adios amigos.